Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on Wi-Fi automatically on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your itel S15 mobile phone. And settings, go to network connections. Okay, tap this. And network connections, okay, tap the Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi, okay, you can see below the Wi-Fi preferences, okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in Wi-Fi preferences, you can see the turn on Wi-Fi automatically. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, but before you turn on the Wi-Fi automatically, you can't enable the location, okay, you'll have to do is slide down from top to bottom to see the location. Okay, tap the location to turn on. And okay guys, go back again here. And now you can turn on the Wi-Fi automatically by turning on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on Wi-Fi automatically. Okay, if this turn on, Wi-Fi will turn back on near high quality saved network like your home network. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on Wi-Fi automatically in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.